If you have $75,000 sitting in a savings account or underperforming investments, I'm about to show you how that money could realistically replace your job income within the next 5 years. This isn't hype or get-rich-quick nonsense. It's simple math based on real dividend growth and compounding. Using SCHD's historical performance, the numbers are eye-opening, and the timeline is much shorter than most people expect. Here's what we'll cover. First, I'll show you what $75,000 invested in SCHD generates right now in monthly dividend income. Then, I'll walk through 3 real-world job replacement scenarios for $40,000, $60,000, and $80,000 salaries, and show when dividends can realistically surpass each income level. Finally, I'll break down the strategy that makes this possible, including common mistakes that can completely derail the plan. Quick disclaimer before we continue. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. These projections are based on historical data, which can change. Always do your own research and consult professionals before making financial or career decisions. Now let's look at the starting point. If you invest $75,000 into SCHD at a dividend yield of roughly 3.6%, you generate about $2,700 per year, or around $225 per month. That alone won't replace a job, but this is where dividend growth changes everything. Historically, SCHD has grown its dividend by about 12% annually. That means your income grows every year without adding more money. That $225 per month becomes roughly $400 per month in 5 years and over $700 per month in 10 years, purely from growth. And that's before adding monthly contributions or accounting for price appreciation. When you combine dividend growth, reinvestment, and steady contributions, income accelerates fast, often faster than salaries grow. That's how dividends quietly overtake paychecks. Now let me show you 3 realistic job replacement scenarios and exactly when SCHD dividends can replace your income. Scenario 1. $40,000 salary. After taxes, you're taking home about $2,900 per month. You start with $75,000 in SCHD and add just $300 per month. With historical dividend growth and price appreciation, income compounds quickly. Year 1, dividends are about $227 per month. By year 5, your portfolio grows to roughly $140,000 and generates around $750 per month. By year 8, dividends reach about $1,425 per month, or roughly $1,200 after tax. Here's the key insight. You don't need to replace your gross salary. You only need to replace your after-tax take-home, and not all at once. Once dividends cover 50 to 60% of expenses, many people reduce hours or switch to lower-stress work. Full replacement typically happens around years 10 to 12. Scenario 2. $60,000 salary. After tax, that's about $4,100 monthly. Same $75,000 start, but you add $500 per month. By year 7, dividends reach roughly $1,500 monthly. By year 10, you're near $3,000 per month before tax. Full job replacement usually lands between years 11 and 13, cutting a 30-year career nearly in half. Scenario 3. $80,000 salary. After tax, around $5,200 monthly. You add $700 per month. By year 9, dividends exceed $2,700 monthly. By year 11, you're over $4,000 per month. Full replacement generally happens between years 12 and 14. Even at higher incomes, this strategy can shave decades off traditional retirement timelines. Now let me give you the complete strategy, because these details are what make or break this plan. Step 1. Account selection. If you're under 50 and eligible, max out a Roth IRA first using SCHD. The annual limit slows growth early, but every dividend is completely tax-free forever. Once the Roth is maxed, use a taxable brokerage account. SCHD's qualified dividends make this extremely tax-efficient. Step 2. Contribution consistency. Everything you've seen assumes steady monthly investing. Miss months or pause contributions, and your timeline stretches out fast. Automate contributions so progress happens without relying on motivation. Step 3. Dividend reinvestment. For the first 3 to 5 years, reinvest every dividend. This dramatically accelerates compounding. Don't take cash until you're close to replacing income. Step 4. Tax planning. Qualified dividends are taxed at 0%, 15%, or 20%. If your taxable income falls below roughly $47,000 for singles or $94,000 for married couples, you pay zero tax on dividends. When you leave your job and income drops, your dividends could become completely tax-free. Step 5. Transition strategy. Don't quit the moment dividends match your salary. Build a 12-month emergency fund. Get dividend income to 120 to 150% of minimum expenses. Test part-time work or consulting for several months to ensure stability and mental readiness. Step 6. Healthcare planning. Before Medicare, private insurance matters. Budget $500 to $800 per month for individuals, more for families, and include this in your income target. Step 7. Inflation protection. With long-term dividend growth far above inflation, your purchasing power increases instead of shrinking, unlike a typical salary. Before we wrap up, let me tell you the 3 mistakes that destroy this plan. Mistake 1. Stopping contributions during market downturns. When SCHD's price drops 20 or 30%, people panic and stop buying. This is exactly backwards. Lower prices mean your contributions buy more shares, which pay more dividends. Down markets are your friend when you're building position. Mistake 2. Taking dividends too early. If you start spending dividends in year 2 or 3, you kill the compounding. Let it reinvest for at least the first 5 years minimum. Longer is better. Mistake 3. Not having a real plan. Saying I want to quit my job is not a plan. You need the exact number. How much dividend income do you need monthly? What's your timeline? What's your monthly contribution? Write it down. Track it quarterly. Quick recap. $75,000 in SCHD is your starting foundation. Add consistent monthly contributions, even $300 to $700, makes a massive difference. For a $40,000 salary, you're looking at 10 to 12 years to replacement. For $60,000, about 11 to 13 years. For $80,000, roughly 12 to 15 years. All of these timelines beat the traditional 30 to 40-year working career by more than half. The key is dividend growth. SCHD's 12.8% historical dividend increases compound faster than almost any raise you'll ever get at a job. Your money is getting a 12.8% annual raise, while most people get 2 to 3%. Start with what you have. Even if it's not $75,000, the same principles apply. $50,000 takes a bit longer. $100,000 gets you there faster. The important part is starting and staying consistent. This isn't a fantasy. Thousands of people are doing this right now. The math works. The dividends are real. The question is whether you're willing to sacrifice some spending today to buy your freedom in 10 to 15 years instead of working for 30 to 40. Where are you in this journey? Do you have the starting capital? Are you building it? What's your target job replacement income? Drop a comment and let me know your situation. I respond to everyone, and I'll give you specific feedback for your numbers. Make sure you're subscribed because next week I'm covering the exact SCHD rebalancing strategy for when your dividends do replace your job and how to make sure the income lasts forever. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.